Hey everyone. In this full guide, I'll show you how to design professional ebooks in Canva for your business, step by step, so you can create polished digital content without hiring a designer. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, type ebook or document into the search bar. You'll see multiple ready-made templates designed for digital books, guides, and lead magnets. Choose a clean, professional layout that matches your brand style and business niche. Once the template opens in the editor, start by updating the cover page. Add your ebook title, subtitle, and business name. Make sure the title is bold and easy to read. A strong cover creates the first impression, so keep it simple and visually balanced. Next, move to the inside pages. Replace the placeholder text with your own content, break long paragraphs into smaller sections, use headings and subheadings, and add spacing to improve readability. You can also insert icons, charts, or images from the Elements section to support your message. Now customize the fonts and colors to match your brand identity. Try to use consistent typography throughout the entire ebook. If you have a logo, upload it and place it subtly on the cover or footer area. Before downloading, review each page to make sure alignment, spacing, and margins look professional. When everything looks polished, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the highest quality. And yeah, that's it. With the right template, clear formatting, and consistent branding, Canva makes it easy to design professional ebooks that elevate your business. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical design tutorials.